What's up, guys? Welcome back. So, really quick update. I got another win, putting this month, July 2024, at 9%. This is the first time I've done 9% on any backtesting sessions. And, like, look. I've been trading for technically 4 years, and this is my first time. Why the hell did my win rate go down? But anyways, this is my first time making having a 9% month. That is insane. Putting the account at $5,000, and if we look at it, how much did I make on the month? Do they tell me? They don't tell me how much I made on the month. I wish they would give me a tally. Oh, my win rate for this 52%. Equity curve is steadily growing. Love that. One thing they don't tell me how much I made. Let's just do some quick maths. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, roughly 4,000, roughly 5,000, probably about 5,000, I guess. Because how much did I make last month? Man, I can't even do that math. Roughly $5,000. Roughly $5,000. 10%, up 10%. Have right now 52% win rate on this session. I don't know why. Maybe I was... Oh, 52% win rate for this, not like out of all my trades. That's why. But this is going up because this used to be like 30 something. But I'm gonna just quickly do a trade recap because of the trade I just took right now. I've been thinking of doing backtest. Like, I've been doing the backtesting sessions, but like when I take trades like these, I just want to quickly like get them out. Like kind of show you what I did, because sometimes I do like to trade by myself where I can just think, and because sometimes my process is kind of slow, although you guys might like that, so you can see, like, because sometimes when I have the drawings here, you're like, well, it's already there, so it's not really helping me. I want to know how you're thinking through it, and that's what the backtesting video is for. So just go check those out. But I'm just gonna quickly do a quick trade recap on what I did, how my thought process going into Thursday here, and why I took the trade I did, and everything that I was looking at to take said trade. One quick question: if you guys use FX Replay, do you know how to make it so that both the charts change to the same time frame? Because it's kind of annoying having to trade this to a day, then trade this to a day. I just want a quick, like, I want them both to change at the same time. I don't know if there's a way to do that. But anyways, okay, so quickly looking at this, right? I did notice this. We closed back. This is kind of like a rejection candle. We closed back within the range. And I was like, okay, well, if we're using CRT, which is candle range theory, ideally, it would make sense for us to maybe target come down or target the end of this, right? Because we took the high of this and closed back in within the body of this green candle here. So I was already bearish, I believe, coming into the day. And also we were in this, we were technically in this fair value gap. But then when I was looking at yeah, so then I looked at the day, and I was like, okay, we're already in this fair value gap technically, and we have this order block that's supposed to support price higher. So I was like, okay, I wasn't really sure. At this point, I wasn't like sure if we wanted to remain bearish or to go or change into bullishness. So at this point, like, especially when I went down to the 4 hour, I was like, I'm really not sure what we want to do. I did recognize, though, that we didn't have a genuine swing point. For the market to reverse, you need a swing point. And you could be saying, well, this is a swing point. It's not actually. It's actually not a real swing point. We need a change in state, right? A change in state of delivery to essentially, like, confirm that. Or we need a inverse fair value gap, which on the 4 hour we do not have either of. So I think I was definitely leaning a bit more bearish. However, I just didn't really know 100%. And then not only that, we didn't really have a significant low, although this candle did make a low. So I was like, I don't know. We were coming off of the open of this candle. We were kind of overextended. So that was bearish. But the fact that we did put in a daily low here, I was like, okay. So I was kind of getting like mixed signals. I wasn't really 100% sure. So then I kind of just went down to the 1 hour because I wasn't sure. So I need more evidence, right? When you're not sure, you kind of just keep going down and trying to find the evidence that supports or gives you like an idea of direction, essentially. That's what I do. Like sometimes I'll like not really know what's happening or in what way I should be going, but like I look for like, okay, do we have any SMTs that is probably pushing us to the downside? Do we have any PSPs? Like what is like, do we have any evidence to show us that we're doing these things, right? So right now I was looking at these tops here, and it's funny because coming into the 9:30 open, we were actually down here. So I was like, okay, this could be a SMT potentially, but this hadn't actually taken the high of London's session, so I couldn't really call it an SMT. So that's why I didn't write out anything here. So I was still like, I want to see lower prices technically, but I'm still not really sure here. So then I basically just went down to the 30-minute, and I was like, just getting close up. So I was still unsure. So if I'm unsure, I need to demand more information, right? Oh, sorry, I just got like teeth freeze. It's kind of really hard to describe how I came to this conclusion because I wasn't really sure. I just kept on trying to get information from price. So like when I wasn't sure, I kind of just went forward. I went to like 9:32, 9:34, and I kind of just watched how price developed essentially. Like, are we getting bullish signals? Are we getting bearish signals? You know what I mean? So then I went down to 15, and I was like, okay. Okay. So at this point in time, I was like, we were not. Wait, what time is this? This is 10 o'clock? No. We were like I think we're here. This is 9:30, right? So I saw that we were dumping on NAS, but as you can see, ES started to go back up. And if I'm going to take a short or a long, I need these both to be in line, right? And I didn't really see an SMT down here. Plus, if we're gonna go long, I would like maybe a sweep and then a move higher, but we didn't really get that. So and then not only that, ES was going up. I can't have them going in two different directions. I need them to be in alignment. So if we're going down, I need them both to be going down, right? So I kind of just kept on going down. I was like, okay, let me get a bigger clue of what's going on here. So at this point I hadn't taken a trade yet. I was just still like looking at price. Are we putting in any SMTs? I did see an SMT be put in here, but again, this was around like, we were here, right? But then I saw price going up, so I was like, all right. So I don't really know if this SMT is going to hold. And it actually kind of did hold, actually, because price never took this high. And price and ES did. So that's an SMT. But I actually saw a bigger SMT right here where NASDAQ didn't take this high, but ES did. And I was like, okay, cool. I was like, cool. We have an SMT, and then I also think we had a where is it? I don't think you can see it on this time frame. I think if we go back to the 15. I'm pretty sure we had a PSP somewhere. I don't know what time frame I saw it on though. PSP. I know we had one. I think I took this on the 3-minute. I think the PSP is on the 3-minute actually. Okay, so right here at the highest high. No, that's not even it. Oh my god. Wasn't there a PSP somewhere? I must be tripping, bro. What? I think I took this. Did I take this on the 2-minute? Don't remember if I took this on the 2-minute or 3-minute. I still don't see. I'm pretty sure there was. See, I have the blue line there, so there was a PSP. I'm just not seeing. I just don't know what time frame I saw it on. I know I did not take a trade on the 1 minute, so I don't even know why I went to the 1 minute. I know there's a PSP. What time frame was it on? Y'all, I have no idea where I saw this PSP. Maybe I was imagining things. That is crazy. Or maybe, like, price was still developing and I thought it was a PSP and the candle hadn't closed yet, so maybe that was it. So maybe there wasn't a PSP. That's crazy. Well, in any case, let's just ignore it then. I swore there was PSP. Must be going crazy. But in any case, I saw that they were both starting to dump now, right? So I think, and then also I kind of added in time and price. So we're starting to dump and it was already 10:18. So I was like, okay, I don't think we're going back up at this point. We have an SMT. We had an imaginary PSP, I guess. And we both are starting to dump right here. Also, NAS is the weaker asset. So I was like, okay, so I think I entered right here on this white candle here. This down candle here. And then we went back up. So I was like, if we're going to go down, we shouldn't really touch this high, especially since it's a SMT, so it's supposed to be a protected high, right? And then after that, we came back. We came into a little drawdown, but then we started to dump, and it hit my take profit, which is crazy because I thought I saw it. Sorry, I'm so hung up on that PSP because I like to have two cracks in correlation, and the fact that what I thought was a PSP probably wasn't is crazy. So I'm guessing this candle hadn't closed yet, which is why I thought it was a PSP, but I guess it wasn't. But in any case, I still took it. We were dumping on both, so I just took the trade. So yeah, that's basically it. If you have any questions about the trade, just let me know. But yeah, I'll probably do more of these like short little trade recaps instead of doing like long backtesting sessions. I'll still do the backtesting sessions, just sometimes when I want to trade by myself, but still let you guys know and give you updates on the trades that I'm taking, and growing the account. These are probably a little bit more digestible and easier, especially for me, because sometimes people like explain their strategies and it'll be like 48 long videos, which I have done in backtesting sessions, but sometimes I just want it to be kind of straight to the point. So I think these will be nice, little short trade recaps. But with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.